As you're using JobTread, you might find it useful to have a test customer and a test vendor in the system so you can practice using JobTread without impacting your existing customers and vendors. So in order to do this, JobTread needs to register each individual user or contact with its own unique email address. So let's create some unique email addresses with this simple hack. Here we go. We're going to go into our customer directory and I'm going to add a test customer. And we'll add the account name. So I'll just call this test customer. Now we're going to add a contact within that customer account. So we'll call that a test customer contact. And then every contact in JobTread should have a unique email address. This hack is available whenever you're using a Gmail hosted email address. So let's pretend that my standard email address is anna@gmail.com. Now, if you're using a Gmail hosted email address, you can put in your standard email here, but then right before the @ symbol, you're going to add a plus sign, and then you can enter whatever else you want to in here. So I will say test customer. And then that is going to be registered by JobTread as a unique email address. However, any emails that are sent through JobTread will be sent to your original email address. So here, we'll go ahead, add a location real quick, and create our customer. Now we have a test customer to use in the system. Let's do the same thing for a vendor. So I'm going to go to my vendor directory, click on plus vendor, and here I'll enter the vendor account. We'll say test vendor. And then I'd like to create a contact within that vendor account. So test vendor contact. And then I can enter in the email address. So again, if my standard email is anna@gmail.com, I can click before the @ symbol, add a plus sign, and then whatever else I need to after that. So we'll say test vendor, and then I'll create the vendor. Now I have a test vendor that I can use within JobTread. If you have any questions, contact your customer success manager, or you can email support@jobtread.com. Thanks!